Happy 1st. Happy 1st of April. First day of April. Holiday.
April 1st, di ba? So, holiday.
So, may ganap kami. Nag-request lang na mag-banding daw kami apat. So, we're here at Pinto Art.
Pinto Art, Ate Polo.
Yep.
Ang gulo mo nga.
So, we're heading at Pinto Art. Then, that's the exit. Let's go.
I don't know why, but I wanna taste it almost every night. It's a little sour, it's a little sweet. Sing karaoke on the dive bar stage. When it's happy hour, you never miss a beat. Oh, let's go surfing on your sugar wave. I want to go out anywhere with you.
Medyo malaki pala dito, guys. Tapos may map na binigay. And the entrance na per head, 250. And nag-video lang sila. Hi, love! So, ayun, may pool dito, oh. Ayan. So, first time namin dito. Ang ganda dito. Dati, gusto ko pang, pumunta dito. Dati pa, niyaya ko sila. So, ngayon nagka-time. Ayun. And may cafe dito. Cafe Rizal sa loob.
No matter where we go tonight, it don't matter where we go tonight. I want to go. It don't matter where we go tonight. I want to go dancing anywhere with you. It don't matter where we go tonight. It don't matter where we go tonight.
Hi guys, we're update here. We're at the library, Pinto Art Library. So, maganda dito, no, sa Pinto Art.
Yeah.
Kasi yung, so para siyang Greek, Roman, ganun yung style. White kasi.
Init lang.
Wait lang.
Ang init! Marami naman na kaming naikot. Hindi ko lang alam. Ang daming kasi dito guys sa loob. Hello guys, yung painting na to, na-amaze ako. Dito, ayan. Grabe yung habang tinitingnan ko to, nana ko yung emotions nila. Ganda! Super ganda. Tapos dito natuwa ako. Dito. Yung bata. Ay, alam mo, hindi mo tayo mabani if YouTube dito. Tapos dito nagulat ako. Ayan. Pagod na ako pero di pa namin lahat naiikot kasi sobrang laki talaga. Oily face na ako.
This is wow. Oh, there's a peacock. Hello, peacock.
Grabe guys, ang init. Nagdala pa, sabi ko water lang. Sabi ko water lang eh.
Oh, water lang?
Oo.
Okay.
Doon na tayo magkape sa iba.
Okay.
Dito may peacock sa tuloy. Nakakawala ako. Ayun. Ayun. Nakakawala.
Ito kanina? Sa peacock?
Ayun ako. Ayun. Doon sa mga ano. Ayun o. Gusto mo punta na yun. Mainit.
Lumabas na yung peacock. What are you doing, Mr. Peacock?
Tapos na kami, guys. Nakakapagod. Oo, di namin naikot lahat. Pero mostly, marami kaming naikot na. And ngayon, pupunta kami ng church. Hindi ko muna sasabihin kung basta may pupuntahan kaming church. Later, malaman nyo kung saan yan.
Excited yan. Ayan. So guys, after namin ay na tayo na Regina Paris Center. After namin Pinto Art, may check lang kami ng church. Let's go. Okay, parking sa baba.
Appetizer.
Double twinning siya. Oh, yan yung food oh. Wow.
Ay, yung in-order ko na ribs, parang mashed potato ang sabi ko.
Same. Check na lang.
Ito kay Ray, di ba?
Hindi, mashed potato.
Kay mash potato. Yung salty ka. Kay Ray, yung mashed potato na. Hati kami nila. Kay Nico yung
Burger stick. So we're here at Cafe Florentine. Oh, wow. Oy. Uy. Oh, nice. Oh, this is nice. I feel good.
Guys, ang ganda ng view. So 4:37 pa lang. Pero humanap na kami ng pwesto agad na malapit dito sa may view.
Pretty yan.
How long can you hold until your breath falls? It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment.
Ayan na oh. Pa-sunset na guys. Colors. Ganda. We're going home. So, worth it ang April 1st namin nila. April Fools ngayon, pero diba, pag mga April Fools, parang madaming mga joke time. Pero kami, masaya. Saan ba? Hindi na kami.
We are so free, and in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer. Don't hold your breath. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when I
Love, love, love.
Ayun guys, super saya. I hope okay April Fool's Day nyo. So ang bilis lang ng panahon no April na agad. Parang kailan lang. So enjoy ka naman ko lang.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Nakakapagod pero okay lang.
Worth it naman.
Worth it. Just ganyan yung sunset, diba?
Ang ganda.
Ayun guys, so end this vlog. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Bye guys. See you
Bye
in the next one.
guys. See you in the next.
Bye!
I want to go out anywhere with you. It don't matter where we go tonight. It don't matter where we go tonight.